Exciting news, you guys. This video is sponsored by me, Tara Johnson. Go over to workitgirlfit.com and pick up some resistance bands. I plan in the future to have apparel and more workout equipment, but for now we have resistance bands. Go ahead and type thank you and receive $5 off. All links will be in the description bar down below. Thank you for your support.
Hey family, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to get what? Snatchity snatch, snatch, snatch. So today's video we're going to do an at home, or you can do it in the gym before you actually do a upper body workout if you choose. But this is all you need. We're going to do a 5-minute at home upper body workout using only resistance bands. I almost slapped myself in the face. Using only resistance bands. So yeah, so we're going to do 10 different exercises for 20 seconds each, and then you're going to have a 10-second rest period in between. It's actually 6 exercises in total, but it's going to be 10, equating 10, because we're going to do some exercise requires to do it on both sides of our body, okay? Symmetrical. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out workitgirlfit.com. Also, be sure to let me know down below what other apparel or any workout equipment that you see that I should probably put on my website. I appreciate you guys' feedback. You motivate me, you help me, you give me everything I need to be successful. So thank you once again for that, and let's go get this work. Alright you guys, let's get into it. I'm going to take the resistance bands with the least amount of resistance for this one. We need that stretch. So we're going to go ahead and work our upper back. For 20 seconds. Just like that. I'm going to go ahead and start the timer. Let's go. Alright, 10-second rest, and we're going to go to the front. It's going to look something like this. You can start. Next, we're going to switch, and we're going to rotate, looking like this. Working those legs. Alright, rest for 10 seconds, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Just grab it, pull out. Keep your arm tucked in. Rest for 10 seconds. We're going to go in and we're going to work our legs. So I'm going to use my foot, I'm going to turn this so you guys can see, and just pull in towards you for 20 seconds. Rest 10 seconds. We're going to do it on the same thing on the opposite side. Pull in and squeeze at the side. Five seconds remaining. Rest. Next, we're going to work our triceps. You can do this standing up. side. Really squeeze. And rest. We did it. Okay, so we did it. We're done. You can do this 2 more times so you can have 3 complete sets. But I want to bring you these quick, fast, interactive videos so you can get motivated about getting scrub daily options. Be sure to check out workitgirlfit.com and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.